Hello, so today I'm going to do an unboxing video of my Christmas gift, and it's my new filming equipment. It's not big, but yeah, I'm happy. It's a new tripod and microphone. So let's head into seeing this. Okay, so as I'm unboxing, I'm going to be telling you about where I got it, how much, and everything. Okay, so here it is. So it's a package that I ordered from China. I did not do it myself. I joined a mini importation group, so I'm just unboxing this now. My daughter is helping me unbox this. Let's see. Yeah, that's our tripod. Okay, so it came with his own pack, like it came on this brown carton, right? Then it also came in its own carton. Beautiful packaging. So it has a manual, but it's written in Chinese. I don't know, I'm going to have to translate this to maybe to be able to read the manual. So she's bringing the package out. Ah, wow, this is beautiful. It came in with another package in a bag, like a hanging bag that you can carry, like you're going hiking or you're traveling. You can carry it and then have your tripod for your videos and all that. So now this is the main tripod, and yippee, I'm so happy. I have a new filming equipment. I'm going to show you the previous equipment I used. The small one is a table tripod. I would put a picture up now or before the end of this video. So it has a phone holder. We're going to fix this in, and a Bluetooth shutter to start and stop your recording instead of getting up to stop recording. So this is it. And please bring out the microphone. Let's show them. Put this back into the carton. Our next video would be me showing you how to set this up. So I'll find a way to translate that Chinese manual and then set up the tripod. So like I said, new filming equipment is not much, but it's a start. So I'm going straight to showing you the microphone. I've not used microphone for any of my videos before. My Samsung audio, it's clear, but it needs to be clearer. That's why I got the microphone. Yep. So I'm going to bring out the it's in the carton, right? It's inside the carton. Let's get it out from there. This is the microphone. It's a wireless microphone. It's a wireless microphone and can be used with Type-C phones. So when I connect it and I use it with the phone, I'm going to show you how everything works. So my next video will be setting up the tripod and the microphone and using the both of them. This is a tripod, so we are going to set it up now. Let's start with releasing the legs. So it has some clamp. Once you open it, the leg just automatically drops down, so you don't need to use your hand to stretch it out. So where you allow it stretch to the length you want, then you close the clamps back, just as you can see me doing it in the video right now. Once you have done that, you go ahead to work on the clamp, or should I call that a plate, where you have your phone holder or where the camera would sit on. So you're going to lose it. Let's take this outside so it could be clearer. So we are outside now. This is the tripod stand, right? So like I said, we are going to lose these plates where camera or the phone stays. So I'll show you how that is done right now. After opening it this way, so you release, there's this slide underneath the plate, pull it out. Once you've pulled that out, then the plate itself, you're going to slide it downwards. Once you slide it downwards, the plate comes out. As soon as it comes out, there's this silver thing underneath it. It's a screw, so you don't need a screwdriver. Just turn it, twist it, and then put in the phone holder. So this phone holder has holes at the side and at the middle part, so you just screw it in for it to fit into that plate. So once it's secure and tight, not moving, then you go back and then put that plate into the tripod. So go ahead and slide that. There's a lever under the plate. Slide it, pull it, then just like you're fitting in a cartridge, you'd slide it from under upward to fit into the space where you brought the plate out. And once it fits in, close the lever and it's set. The only thing next to do is to put your phone and start filming. So once you've put your phone, there's a lever at the side of the tripod, so you can extend this tripod higher than the way it is. There's a screw at the back to lock it after increasing the size, the length of the tripod. So it depends on what you're filming. You can either make it short or long. Then there's this button at the side if you want to open up the phone for your recording purpose, however you want. So you can also rotate this. Maybe you have a cooking video or a drawing video, so it captures it better. And you can also put this phone holder in landscape mode. You know, YouTube video is landscape.